Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at how you can build a brand with Hubspot. Now, Hubspot is a great platform for building a brand. It offers a variety of tools that can help you with branding, including content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, website analytics, and sales CRM. By using HubSpot's branding tools, you can create a consistent and cohesive brand across all of your marketing channels. This will help you build trust with your target audience and position yourself as an authority in your industry. Now, HubSpot actually have a great PDF detailing how you can actually build a brand with HubSpot. So if you type into Google how to build a brand with HubSpot and search it, you'll see this section here. And when you click on here, you'll be taken to their ebook. Now, I'm not going to show their whole ebook. If you want to learn everything they say, you have to go and check this out for yourself. However, I have written a short summary about what it's about. So this PDF is a comprehensive guide on how to build a brand. It covers the key components of a great building strategy, including the importance of concise content, eye-catching images, and branded links. It also emphasizes the need to understand your target's audience pain points and objections and how to address them. The guide provides tips on how to personalize your brand experience for different buyer personas and how to measure the success of your brand strategy through metrics such as website traffic and social media engagement. Overall, this guide is a valuable resource for small business owners and marketing professionals looking to take their branding efforts to the next level. So this is completely free to check out, so I do recommend everyone trying to build a brand reads this and learns a bit from it. So hopefully it does actually help you progress with your business. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to build a brand with HubSpot. If you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.